This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome, hi viewers. Today in this video we'll learn while loop. While is a conditional loop, which is another kind of loop in GW basic programming language. So the while loop is used to execute a series of statements in a loop as long as a given condition is true. This loop is very useful where the programmer does not know in advance how many times the loop will be executed. Now we'll discuss the syntax of it. It's very important to note. The syntax is while expression loop statements WEND. It starts with the while keyword having an expression. This is called the body of the loop, and it ends at WEND, WEN, or WEND you can call it. Now we'll discuss the interpretation. The expression in the while loop controls the loop repetition. The statements which are executed when the given condition is true form the body of the loop. The body of the loop is executed until the condition is true. As soon as it becomes false, the loop terminates immediately and the program control transfers to the statement next to the WEND statement. It must be noted that the loop control variable in while loop is always initialized outside the body of the loop and is incremented or decremented according to the program logic inside the body of the loop, whereas in for the loop control variable is initialized and incremented or decremented within the for statement. Now we're gonna give an example. Example number 1. Create a basic program that will convert ASCII code to alphabetic. So we're gonna execute the program, so we'll switch to the IDE. This is program 1. So let's switch to the IDE or GW Basic. Here we are, viewers. At line number 10 we will type CLS, line number 20 we will type A is equal to 0. Line number 30 we will type while A is lesser than or equal to 255. Line number 40 we will type print A semicolon character dollar. A comma 50. A is equal to A plus 1. There will be an increment of 1 since it reaches the value from 0 till 255. So there will be total 256 characters, 0 to 255. Line number 60 we will type WEND. Line number 70 we will type END. Now I'm gonna save it. We'll type press F4 key and type ASCII.bs is the name of the program. We will load this program, press the F3 key, ASCII.bas. Now we will run this program. So you can see that we have printed total 0 to till 255 characters of ASCII code on the screen. Let's discuss this program again. Well, the first line is used to clear the contents of the screen. Line number 20 means that 0 is assigned to A, so A is initialized over here. Variable A has the initialized value 0. Now we're gonna check and use, you're using the while loop, which is a conditional loop, which is going to check while as far as the A receives and reaches till 255. What it will do, it will print the A, but it will give the value of character dollar. Character dollar is a string variable which is used to show the it's a function, built-in function in GW basic programming language. It's used to show the ASCII code on the screen. So we're gonna show the ASCII code from 0 till 255 on the screen, and there will be an increment of A is equal to A plus means we need to show all the characters like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 255. But if we give here an increment of 5, like if I edit this line and type edit 50 and type A is equal to A plus like 10, so you see what will happen. You can see. Now we'll save it and type ASCII again. We will load it, press F3 key. Now we will run it. So as you can see, there is an increment of 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100. There is an increment of 10. So you can see all the 10 very characters on the screen. But so there was an increment of 10. So you can see all the ASCII values have an increment of 10 on the screen. likewise. But if you added 50 and again give the value of 1, we will save it, type ASCII.bas, type ASCII.bas and run it. Now the output is different. Now we'll discuss in one more program, and the other program is, now we will discuss one more program. So we are gonna create a basic program that will add 5 plus 25 plus 1 to 5. Since you can see there's 25 is the square of 5, 1 to 5 is the square of 25, and 625, and again 625 is the square of 125. So we're gonna type one more program. Let's switch to the IDE. So here we are, we were at line number 10, we type CLS, likewise as we have been doing in previous programs. Line number 20 we will give A1 to A, and 1 will be, so LHS for RHS value is always assigned to the LHS variable. Line number 30 we will type while A is lesser than or equal to 4. Line number 40 we will type print 5 raised to the power A. Line number 50 we will type sum is equal to sum plus 5 raised to the power A. And line number 60 we will type A is equal to A plus 1. Line number 70 we will type WEND, WEND, WEND. And line number 80 we will type print sum of 5, 25, 1 to 5, 6 to 5 is equal to semicolon sum 90. We will type and we will press F4 key to see the program. Will type while 2.bs. Now press F3 key to load the program. Type while 2.bs again, and then press F2 key to run the program. So the total of sum of 5, 25, 1 to 5, 6 to 5 is 780. Let's see and discuss the code of the program. Line number 10. There is a clear screen statement which is used to clear the content of the screen. Line number 20 we have assigned 1, which is a numeric constant to numeric variable A. Now at line number 30 we have used while conditional loop which is going to check whether the A reaches lesser than or equal to 4. So till A reaches till 4, the loop will be continued and repeated. So till then, starting from 1 till 4, 4 times print what at line number 40, 5 raised to the power A, and A has the value of 1. So first the 5 will be typed right as it is, and then the second time 1 plus 1 make, so there's an increment of 1. The second time the value of the A will be 2, so that will be 5 raised to the power 2, it makes 25, and then it is also stored in the sum variable, and at the same time the power of 5 is increasing. The third time it will be 5 raised to the power 3 because there's an increment of 1 in A. So in fourth time the value of the 4A will become 4, and 5 raised to the power is 625. So every time the value of A is incremented, is increased by 1 until it reaches the 4. 4 to the power of 5 makes 625. So when it reaches the 625, the loop will be terminated. There is WEND. WEND is used to terminate the loop when A reaches the 4. So the power of 5 raised to the power 4 is 625. So when it reaches the power of the 4, when while a is less than or equal to 1 means that a is equal to 4 or less than or equal to 4, the loop will be terminated. But till then, what will happen? The power of the 5 will be incremental, like the first power of 5 raised to the power 1 is 5, 5 raised to the power 2 is 25, and 5 raised to the power 3 is 125. Likewise, the power of the 5 raised to the power 4 is 625. At the same time, we have used, excuse me, we have used a variable sum, which is used to add all these 5 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this sum has the value of 780 because it added all the 5 plus 25 plus 125 plus 625. So now in the end, we have used the print statement to print this sum of 525 and 125 is, which you can see on the screen, and the variable of sum, which has the value now 780, which is shown on the output screen. So that's all, and we have discussed while when loop, its syntax, its interpretation, and 2 different programs executed with the output and explanation of it. So thanks for watching my video.